Hello guys, welcome to the Ruthvik channel again. In this, we are going to learn about one type of a Google ad that is known as the search ad. So, what is search ad? So, search ad is a Google search ad, a text-based ads that appear on Google search result page when users look for specific keywords. So, why use the search ads? Because search ads are high intent traffic. Users are actively searching for the product or services which you are going to give, and it's a pay-per-click model. Like users are going to click, then only the amount will be re- detected, and it's used in a precise targeting. So the ads are shown based on the keywords, location, and demographic. So basically, the Google search ad means a sponsor that you see on the top of the pages in the Google result page. See what are the types of Google ads, search ads. So there are two types. The first one we'll talk about the responsive search ad. So in this we need to give the headlines and description. We use Google to show the best ad combinations, and we'll use up to 15 headlines and 4 descriptions in this. So the second one is Google Dynamic Search Ads. And this Google automatically creates ads based on your website content. No need to give any keyword. Google will be doing on its own. So it's best for the website which have multiple products and services, like e-commerce have multiple products. So they use dynamic services mostly for the e-commerce. So when to use search ads? For lead generation, like real estate or coaching centers need leads for their services, they use the search ad. For e-commerce, when they need to target a product to the customer, like selling a blue pen or blue t-shirt, they need people to search about it. They target using that. So local businesses, so restaurants, salon, and clinics, they need people to visit to the store. So also they use the search ad about the products. And the service-based businesses like agencies, freelancer, repair service, to say that they exist in the market, they do search ads. So what are the key elements of search ads? So to perform a search ad, we need keyword research, relevant keywords, and a better tools. We'll be learning about it in the next video step by step. We need the quality score. We need to maintain high score for a lower cost and better ranking. We need the campaign name, and the name which it should be like a brand name plus product plus objective plus type plus location. And we need the headlines and description. We need to write engaging ad keyword rich ad copy, so people clicks on it and we get a nice click through rate percentage. And we may need assets, we call it the extensions. In this we use like some features are call extensions, site link, call out, structure snippet. We'll be learning them more in the next video while creating a search ad. So the best practice for search ad is we need to use exact and page match keywords for better targeting instead of broad match. Obtaining landing page, we need to have a good website so people do not bounce back from your website. We need to maintain a good quality score of 7 plus or more for better ad placement. We'll be learning that also. Quality score is the most important topic, and we need to check the regularly A by B test headlines and descriptions. If people are not coming to your website, then there should be a problem in your website. So we need to change the headlines and description. We need to have a good click-through rate, and we need to add negative keywords for irrelevant traffic. If people are searching about another topic and they're getting the video of yours, then of your search engine page, then it's the wrong targeting. We need to add that into the negative targeting list. And yes, let's do the step-by-step process of creating a search ad in the next video. Stay tuned, guys.